Namaste. I'm Jamie. Welcome to this series of Foundations of Hatha Yoga. This series is aimed at beginners who really wish to enjoy and explore the depths of yoga. Yoga is so much more than just a physical exercise, and so we'll be going into it. So it'll give you a firm foundation, but also a serious practice. So we're going to include obviously all the postures. So by the end of the series, you have a good 1.5 to 2 hour practice that you can do as often as you wish. And you will also have good knowledge of mantra and pranayama, or popularly known as breath work, to help support your practice and help you go deeper into the kind of internal harmony that yoga seeks to produce. I look forward to seeing you on the mat. Namaste.